6 Surprising Uses of Turmeric for Health and Beauty. Welcome to today's video. For centuries, turmeric has been used not only as a valuable culinary spice, but also with its amazing health benefits. In this video, we will explore the uses of turmeric and the positive effects it has on the body. Let's learn about the amazing health benefits of this spice. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric has long been used in traditional medicine as an effective anti-inflammatory. What is special about turmeric is that it contains a compound called curcumin, which has the ability to inhibit inflammatory agents in the body. Curcumin exerts anti-inflammatory effects by affecting glands that secrete inflammatory mediators such as cytokines. It also helps to reduce cell damage and limit the inflammatory response. Turmeric has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects in various conditions such as arthritis, enteritis, hepatitis and allergic rhinitis. Using turmeric in your daily diet or as a supplement can help reduce symptoms of inflammation and improve overall health. 2. Anti-cancer effect. Turmeric has been studied and shown to have potential anti-cancer effects. Curcumin compounds in turmeric have the ability to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. Curcumin can block new blood vessel formation necessary for tumor growth. It is also capable of activating cancer cell death and reducing the production of inflammatory and oxidative substances. Curcumin also has the ability to interact with cancer cells and the genes involved in their growth. This can reduce the rate of cancer cell division and inhibit their spread. However, to get the most out of turmeric's anti-cancer benefits, further research and human trials are needed to determine the most effective dosage and method of use. 3. Support for the digestive system. The compound curcumin present in turmeric has the ability to stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes and bile, which improves digestion and absorption of nutrients. Curcumin also works to reduce inflammation in the digestive system and reduce symptoms of stomach ulcers, enteritis and hepatitis. It has the ability to reduce pain and discomfort in the stomach and intestines. In addition, turmeric also works to stimulate contraction of intestinal muscles and improve overall digestive function. This enhances the movement of food through the digestive system and reduces the risk of bowel obstruction. 4. Positive effects on the immune system. The compound curcumin in turmeric has the ability to stimulate immune cell activity and enhance the production of antibacterial and antiviral substances. Curcumin also has the ability to reduce inflammation and suppress excessive immune responses in the body, helping to balance the immune system. This can help reduce the risk of inflammatory diseases and enhance disease prevention. In addition, curcumin also works to reduce oxidative stress, reducing cell damage caused by free radicals. This helps keep the immune system working properly and reduces the risk of immune-related diseases. 5. Impact on cardiovascular health. Curcumin helps lower blood sugar levels, lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and minimizing the risk of clogged arteries. Curcumin also has the ability to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, reduce cell damage and enhance blood vessel function, helping to maintain good blood circulation to the heart. This helps protect the heart and reduces the risk of cardiovascular problems. 6. Anti-aging effect. Turmeric has a significant anti-aging effect. The compound curcumin in turmeric is a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent the formation of free radicals and protects cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Curcumin also stimulates the production of collagen, a substance that plays an important role in skin elasticity. Maintaining good collagen levels helps skin become firm, elastic and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. In addition, curcumin also has the ability to reduce inflammation and stimulate the regeneration of skin cells, making the skin smoother and younger. Turmeric is truly a treasure of nature with amazing health benefits. From anti-inflammatory, digestive support, to positive cardiovascular and anti-aging effects, turmeric is slowly becoming one of the most popular superfoods. Discover and utilize the benefits of turmeric in your daily life to improve health and promote youthfulness.
Thank you for watching. Please click like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel.